Hello, happy Monday, everybody. Um, I am back, and I'm breaking my fast. It's 4:18. Here I came across this little egg recipe from a girlfriend, and then I looked it up, and it seemed like it was pretty good. So basically, it's boiled eggs, cut in half, with bacon, lettuce, and tomato on it. Now you can add, I saw recipes where you can add mayo and all of this stuff. I'm not doing all of that. This one right here has no yolk in it, but these two do. So I did leave the yolk in it, and then I have an orange over here. So they're pretty easy to make. Just, slice up a little onion, tomato, lettuce, and sandwich it in between a boiled egg. I have my water right here, and I have my results right here for the week. So as y'all can see, I started last Monday. I don't have the date up there, but I started last Monday. My weight was 248.2. Chest was 42 inches. Waist was 41. Arm was 15 and 1/4. I guess it was 1/4. I can't really read those little lines in between. My thigh was 27. My hips was 50. Bring it to today. My weight is 250.2, so I gained like 2 pounds back, which is not a big deal. My chest is 41, so I lost an inch off my chest. My waist is 40 and a half, so I lost a half an inch off my waist. My arms is 15, so I lost like a quarter of an inch. My thigh is 26, I lost a full inch, and my hips is 49 and a half, and I lost a half an inch. So hopefully I'll see more results come next Monday, being that I started on a Monday and I measured and weighed myself. I'm going to just do it every Monday instead of Saturday. Also, too, I'm joining my girl, Christina. I know some of y'all who've been following me for a while, especially on Instagram, know I used to do flywheel spin, and that's where I met her at. She is like the best in Arizona, hands down, when it comes to spin. I don't care. I don't take nobody else really for spin. It was also another lady that was really good too at True Fusion. But hands down, every gym that she go to for spin, weightlifting, her classes is always packed. So they had a little special at this gym that she's at, one of them that she's at, for 2 weeks, unlimited classes for $20. My kids are on spring break for 2 weeks, so I really don't have anything else to do. I don't have to pick nobody up, really take nobody nowhere, none of that. So I ended up joining today, and I'm going to see her this week today, which is Monday, Tuesday. She's not there on Wednesday, so I'm going to be doing T25 Wednesday and T25 on Friday, because those are 2 days that she's not there. And then her Saturday classes, I would have taken it, but it's waitlisted. Everybody is home. And then next week, I'm doing Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Saturday, I'm just doing her 50-minute spin class. But the rest of the days and this week, I'm doing it's a 35-minute spin class and a 35-minute flex class where that's weightlifting. So that should be good for me that I'm doing, and hopefully I'll see a change. I'm going to be more strict on my eating and stuff this week. Last week, was my first week, but yeah, I'm here getting it to go. So this is my first meal. I'm going to go ahead and eat this so I could get dressed and then head out of here about 4:50. So until next time, peace.